As a scientist, I can tell you that Sundays are only 24 hours long. But with NFL Sunday Ticket and YouTube TV...
Looking for a delicious snack on the go? Grab a bottle of Fairlife ultra-filtered milk today. With 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular milk and an oh-so-delicious taste. From creamy chocolate to delicious strawberry, there's a Fairlife...
That guy's an asshole. All the makeup from Shit. What the fuck was that?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Holy shit.
What was he doing?
I'm glad you're aware, though, dude. Holy fuck.
Especially
yes, and apparently they're starting to use AI to run scenarios and situations to predict how somebody will behave in different.
Get them to say yes no matter what. To do it, so you can do. Oh my God, Jesus Christ!
You okay?
Holy shit!
You okay?
Oh my God! What the fuck was that truck doing?
I don't know.
Hey, Sarah.